This video will show you how you can edit your tool offset page. So once your tools are all touched off, if you have to make any changes to length or diameter, so from your main screen, hit F7 parameters, then F3 tool table, and all of your tools are going to be listed. So if you want to edit tool number 3, select tool number 3, and now you can see your tool length. This tool length is currently negative 25.2, so that would be to the top of the part. If I want to make this tool cut 5 thousandths deeper, I'll highlight the length field. And an easy way to do it, once it's highlighted, hit the decimal point. And then if you want to go deeper, you can hit the negative, and then the value that you want to go deeper, so decimal point 0.005. So right now you can see in the field there's a decimal point, negative 0.005. So once I hit enter, that amount is either added or subtracted to your current length. So that would have dropped that length another 5 thousandths. And same with on your diameter. If you want to change your tool diameter, this current diameter is 375. If I want to make this diameter 7 thousandths larger, now that the diameter is highlighted, I'll hit decimal point, and now the plus sign in decimal point 0.007, and once I hit enter,